foreign ministers, heads of delegations, and supporting organizations, Mr. Aziz, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be with you this morning and to inaugurate the session with His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Let me at the beginning thank the governments of Turkey, Kazakhstan, and China, the previous chairs and conveners of this conference, and to thank the government of Pakistan for the excellent arrangements and the hospitality offered to us. Let me also thank the people of Pakistan for having hosted millions of Afghan refugees over decades. Our bonds are deep, people-to-people sets of relationship. Unfortunately, recent events in Pakistan have forced us to host close to 350,000 to 500,000 of Pakistani refugees in our soil. The refugee issue is a common issue like other issues that confront us. I had begun with Allama Iqbal's poem, so instead of reading it in English, allow me to read it in Dari. آسیا یک پیکر آب و گل است، ملت افغان در آن پیکر دل است، از فساد او فساد آسیا، در کشاد او کشاد آسیا. As the Prime Minister earlier said, Asia is a body of water and earth, of which the Afghan nation is the heart. From the discord of the heart, Asia's disorder, from the concord of the heart, Asia's accord. What is the status of discord and accord in the heart? And what is Asia's impact on us? Last year in Beijing, I spoke of 4 transitions: the political transition, the security transition, the economic transition, and most significantly, a transition to turn the culture of the state to being citizen-focused. In terms of the 2 main themes of this conference, let me take very quick stock first of what we've been able to do during 2015 to establish regional cooperation. Afghanistan is becoming anchored, firmly anchored in Central Asia. I want to express our gratitude to the government of Turkmenistan for having taken a cluster approach to the development of infrastructure and linkages. Turkmen railways, transmission lines, highways, gas pipelines and oil pipelines are reaching Afghanistan, and imminently we are going to inaugurate the Tapi pipeline in Turkmenistan. This is a very significant transformational event, and hopefully also with His Excellency the Prime Minister, we will sign a 500 kV transmission line from Turkmenistan through Afghanistan to Pakistan.